So today I'll discuss Harappan civilization questions. Before going to the question answer, I will give you some introduction about the civilization. This civilization spread in and around 3000 BCE and it continued for 1000 years and it declined in and around 700 1750 BCE. So we can understand that this civilization was contemporaneous of Mesopotamian and Egyptian civilizations. And some historical archaeologists thought that, and they provided with proofs that these civilizations was the oldest civilizations in the world. But there are some controversy over the historical archaeologist. So we don't go to the controversials and we'll go to the question answer directly. So let's start the question answer. So look at these question answer are very important from the central and state government point of view. So if you prepare this question answer properly, I don't think you need to read other books. So let's start. The earliest city discovered in India was dash. The options are Harappa, Rangpur, Mohenjo-daro, Sindh. The correct answer is Harappa. Move to the next question. Which one of the following in the civilization site gives evidence of a dockyard? The answer is Lothal. So I will directly tell you the answer, okay? And where, if I can, I will also tell you the options. Yes? Okay. Which one of the following statements regarding Harappan civilization is correct? The options are standard Harappan seals were made of clay. The inhabitants of Harappa had neither knowledge of copper nor bronze. The Harappan civilization was rural based. The inhabitants of Harappa grew and used cotton. The correct option is the inhabitants of Harappa grew and used cotton. Next question. An advanced water and management system of Harappan times had been unearthed at. The options are Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Alamgirpur. The correct option is Dholavira. Move to the next question. From which one of the following places remains of whales have been found in houses belonging to the developed stages of the Indus Valley civilization? The options are Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro. The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Look at the next question. The archaeological finds from Alamgirpur in Ghaziabad district reflected the dash. The options are Harappan culture, Vedic culture, Mauryan culture, Gupta period culture. The answer is Harappa culture. Look at the next question. Cotton for textile was first cultivated in where? Egypt, Mesopotamia, Central America, India. The correct option is India. Okay, move to the next question. Rock cut architecture in Harappan culture context has been found at where? Kalibangan, Dholavira, Kodiji, Amri. The answer is Dholavira. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer from the codes given below. The options are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibangan are important places of Indus Valley civilization. Harappan people developed planned cities with network of streets and drainage system. Harappan people did not know use of metals. So the correct option is, so look at the option. The first option is Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar, Kalibangan are important places of Indus Valley civilizations. So this is correct. Harappan people developed planned cities with network of streets and drainage system. This is also evident from the history, from the excavated site. So the correct options are 1 and 2. Move to the next question. Which one of the following was not known to the Harappans? The options are construction of wells, construction of pillars, construction of drains, construction of arches. The correct option is construction of arches. Next question. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at where? Kuntal, Rakhigari, Daimabad, Banwali. The answer is Daimabad. So copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at Daimabad. Yeah, must remember. So move to the next question. Which one of the following sites from where the famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found? The options are Harappa, Chanhudaro, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro. The answer is Harappa. Who discovered Indus Valley civilization? The options are Sir Leonard Ule, V.S. Agarwal, Dayaram Shahani, A.L. Vashram. The answer is Dayaram Shahani. And here you must remember the excavation of Harappan Valley civilization was led by Dayaram Shahani, and where the site of Mohenjo-daro, excavation of the site of Mohenjo-daro was led by Rakhaldas Bandyopadhyay, and it was discovered in means the Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1921. Yeah, so don't make any mistakes regarding these questions. Yeah, okay, look at the next question. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? The options are cow, elephant. The correct option is cow. So move to the next question. So there is matching. Match list 1 with list 2 with the correct option given below. So look at the list 1 and list 2. So in list 1 there you find some important names of places of Indus Valley civilization, and in list 2 you will find some related things like material, place name and others. So look at the options. So Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira, Banwali. So first is Lothal. Lothal is related to dockyard. And look at Kalibangan. So Kalibangan is related to plowed field. Yeah, means plowed field had been found in Kalibangan. And look at the sea. Sea, Dholavira. Dholavira will be an inscription will be related with an inscription comprising 10 large sized sign of the Harappan script. Banwali will be 3. Terracotta replica of a plow. So look at the next question. In Mesopotamian records, which one of the following terms was used for the Indus Valley Harappans? So options are Dilmun, Meluha, Magan, Failaka. So the correct option is Meluha. Yeah. So look at the. So that's how we have finished the entire question answers from the sections Harappan civilizations. I hope if you complete this question answer and prepare this question answer very carefully, you will get your proper marks, and you no need to read other books. So these are some important question answer. I hope you have liked this video. If you find this question answer in the video helpful, then please like and subscribe this channel, and I will bring you such more important question answers from different topics of history, science, GK, current affairs for you. So thank you and best of luck.